What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get an Alfa Romeo Stelvio started if the key fob dies. I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 2018 Stelvio in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle, as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying Key Fob Not Detected. So what we need to do is come over to the center console. And if you open it and we see there's this little tray in the bottom, that tray pulls out. Once you get that out of there, you can see this little icon on the bottom of it that looks like our key fob. So what we're going to do is place our key fob on that icon. So I've actually tested this and it works both ways, whether the key fob's facing this way or if the buttons are facing up. But when you look at that icon, it kind of looks like they want you to put it in this way. So we'll go off of that, but again, both ways should work. Once you have your key fob on that icon, you can just start the vehicle as normal. And then you'll just need to replace the battery in your fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.